My mom's birthday is soon. I'll make her an espadrilles Tipu&Tapu kit without the outer fabric. Hi! So my mom's birthday is soon, and I thought that as a present I will make her an espadrilles, and of course I will do that myself. And for this I will use my old piece of cloth, these old jeans, shorts, and this old skirt, and they are both from a bit thicker fabric, so this will be just perfect for espadrilles. And I will use Tipu&Tapu kit, but without the outer fabric. So here you will get the sewing thread and needle, espadrille soles, lining fabric, and of course instructions with the pattern. And here you'll get like all step-to-step instructions how to make it. So let's make it together.
So let's open our instructions and see what we have there. So first step, cut the pattern pieces out. Our pattern pieces are here, and let's cut them out. Second step, place the outer fabric and lining fabric and pin the pattern pieces. As we will use our own cloth, we will do in a different way because it will be just a little easier. Now place your pattern piece and underline it with pencil. I'm using a dry soap, it is good for darker fabrics. When you will be cutting it out, don't forget to leave at least half a centimeter edges for the stitches. And repeat everything the same with the skirt fabric. As you see, we have our outer pieces, and now we have to repeat everything with the lining fabric. So I have ironed the lining fabric, and I'm repeating basically everything the same with the lining fabric. Quick tip, mark lining fabric from both sides. It will help you when you will sew your espadrilles. First sew the heel gore following the pencil mark. Repeat it for 4 parts, 2 lining and 2 outer parts. Now press it with the iron. Place the outer fabric and lining with the right sides together. Make sure that the gores are meeting at the same point. Sew along the traced lines, leaving half a centimeter opening on one side of toe and heel for turning the fabric. Trim the seam allowance except in the openings. Cut the corners diagonally to eliminate bulk. Turn the right side out. Poke out the corners with a pointy object. Now press all parts with the iron. Align the ends of the heel with the toe part, 1 cm from the edge, and pin. Sew toe part and heel part together.
So now I have my espadrilles body prepared. And what I love about these kits is that you have the power to do whatever you want. You can choose your colors, you can choose your patterns, you can decorate it however you want, you can do some kind of embroidery. In this case, I thought that I can make some kind of beautiful quote on the espadrilles. I have these kind of stencils and I have textile paint. So I will use it to write something beautiful. First of all, I will practice it on the leftover just to see how we get the letters, and then I will do it on the main part.
So I'm starting with a very light taps, making sure that there's no excess paint. Remember, it is always better less than too much. If you're feeling confident, you can repeat everything on the espadrilles. Marking the middle of the espadrilles where I want to locate the text. If you want the text to look brighter, add the second layer.
So guys, we're almost done. We have prepared our espadrilles body and I think they went out very nice. I love them. And we have the easiest part now is to sew the espadrilles on the sole. So let's start our last part.
Mark with a pin the center of the toe and the front center of the sole. Repeat it with the heel. Pin fabric around the sole. Be sure to distribute the fabric evenly. Sew the fabric to the sole with a blanket stitch. Once you get to the end, knot and tie off the thread. Repeat the knot a couple of times.